Hey, what is going on everybody? Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set up your focuses so it works best for you. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, focuses comes with the iOS 15 and focuses helps you focus on things that are important to you while you're working or while you're playing games or whatever you're doing. So first thing you want to do is go to the settings and go to the focus settings as you can see on the screen. Go to the focus settings. Now you have multiple options. You can add a different focus if you want to, just like for example if I want to set up focus for gaming, right? So let's just go to the custom. Now let's say I'm gaming. There you go. Oh, it does. Okay, so I already have a gaming focus. So let's say I want to set up the gaming focus. Just go into the gaming focus. Go to the next. Now you have option to add people. You can add multiple people that you want to get called from, messages from, but in general notifications from. So in this case, I'll just add my let's say a friend of mine. Okay, let's add Harry into this. So I want notifications only from Harry while I'm playing games. Okay, so yeah, click allow, and now you have apps that you want to get notified from. In this case, I'll just okay, so let's for example, I'll just set it up to Facebook. Let's say I want to get notified only from Facebook while I'm playing games. So there you go. Now I'll just click on turn on, and yeah, let's just turn it on, and there you have it. You don't need to, now you will only get called from the people who are in your favorite or the people you choose, and you'll get notified from the apps that you just selected. So this is it. You can also just delete the focus if you want to. Let's say I don't want the gaming focus anymore. So just click delete and it'll automatically delete the gaming focus. There you have it. You can add as much focuses as you want, and you can set it up to fit your needs. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.